welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. नीचे जो रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. So I am back with another new video. So this is going to be the last video of the Durga Puja makeup series. Yes, this is going to be the last video. I have already done 2 parts of this. So I have posted 2 videos. One is a very morning look, so I will put tabs here. If you want to watch, you can directly click on the tab and you can watch this, or else I will put link in the description so you guys can go and check the video out. The first one is a very day look with which will go with ethnic, so you can easily try that. And the second one is more like a traditional with traditional clothes and traditional jewelries. So yes, so today's tutorial will be a night look, so it will be very glamorous. And without any further ado, let's start the video. My hairs, because they are gonna disturb me in my whole process. And yes, I have tied my hair. Now first I will prep my skin. For that I'm using this Good Vibes Cucumber Toner. Glow, it's a glow toner, so yes, I need that glow in my face. Let it dry. Now on top of that I'm going to use this Good Vibes almond oil. I will take very little amount on my palms, 1 drop and 2 drops. Yes, warm it up with my hands and just pat it on my face. After patting it on my face, I'm going to use a moisturizer. So I'm using this Nivea soft, it's a limited edition of moisturizer which I bought. It's a jojoba oil and vitamin E moisturizer. So I'm going to use this. It's a very light moisturizer. So done with moisturizing. Now I'm going with the primer. I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. We'll apply it on the areas where I have pores. I'm done with my primer. So what I actually do, I go with the foundation after my primer, but today I'm going with the concealer at first. I'm using this this is the only concealer I use. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand Sable. Here because I have red acne, I will use it here because that areas are dark. Now I'm going to use my beauty sponge. I look weird currently, but I just concealed my eyes and blended it. So now I'm going to go with the foundation. For the foundation I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So this is how it looks, I know. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder, and I'm going to just set everything. Now I'm going with the contour. So contouring, or you can say for bronzing, I'm using the Sugar Face palette and I'm using the contour shade. Very soft bronzing and I really like it. So now I will just apply a little bit of lip balm. I will contour my nose. For that I'm using the Shame shade and I'm using this flat brush. So this is my face look after contouring. Now what I will do, I will just complete my eyes and then I will do the leftover face. For doing my eyebrows, I'm using the Sugar Eyebrow Enhancer. It's in the shade Top It Tom. Done with my eyebrows. Now I'm going to do my eyes. For that I'm using the Maybelline concealer. Concealed my eyes. Now I will go with the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow I'm using the Hypnotic palette. It's my favorite palette, if you can't tell already. So I'm using the Hypnotic palette, and also I'm using the Wet n Wild palette. So I'm going to make a silver shimmery look. First I'm going to do the transition. For the transition I'm using this shade on the top. I'm using my Pro Art PE20 brush. So I recently ordered this brush, and this brush is so amazing. Like, it's kind of a dupe of PAC, you can say. It's available in Nykaa, it's available in Amazon, and it's very good. Like, Pro Art is also available on Instagram. So if you want any information, you can go to Instagram and search for Pro Art, PROARTE. And I discovered this brush, like this brand, from a video of Shivangi, and she used the Pro Art eyelashes. So from that video I actually got to know about Pro Art. It's an amazing brand. I think I will order more brushes from Pro Art. So if you cannot afford PAC, because PAC brushes are expensive to be honest, you can go with the Pro Art palette, Pro Art brushes. I have used the transition shade. I will do my outer corners. For that I'm using this brown shade in the corner. I'm using the Wet n Wild palette. I'm using a lighter shade. I'm using this orangey shade here. Take it in my fluffy brush, dust off, and blend the eyeshadow. So I have done. Now I'm going to use the concealer and do a half cut crease. Like, you don't need to be very specific with the cut crease. You just need to have like a cut crease effect. So I have created a cut crease. Now I'm using the glitter, and then I will blend them together. So for the glitter I'm going to use, I'm confused, should I go with this blue or should I go with this? I will go with this shade. So I will take it in my fingers. Now I will blend my glitter and my brown shade on my outer corner, and for that I'm going to use this orange shade here, and I'm going to blend this too. I think I will go again with the shimmer shade, because after blending it became light. This is how it looks. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Like, I will literally do a close up for you. Look at the eyeshadow. My god, this looks bomb. Now I'm going to take this brown shade here, and I will do my lower lash line. See, there is a fact that you don't need to use the products I am showing, exactly the same products. You can use any product which you think is similar to the product I am using. If you have a shimmer which is creamy, you can use that. If you want to switch this shimmer shade, silver shimmer shade, with any other color shimmer shade, you can use it. Use any product you think that is suitable. So yes, you don't need to have the same products and same things. I'm using my eyeliner, and I will draw very fine eye. So yes, I have done my eyeliner. I think they look perfect. This is how my eyeshadow looks. Now I will apply a little bit of blush and highlight. For the blush I'm using the same palette. I'm using this shade right here. I applied my blush. Now I will apply a highlighter. using the same palette, same highlighter. For my cheeks, I'm going with the Shivana Colors Highlighting Brick. Really like how it turned out. Now I'm going with my lipstick. For my lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Matte to Last. I'm using the shade Mithili. So this is how the makeup turns out. Oh freaking god, I really like it. The main thing is still left. I need to put my lashes on and then I will come back. This is the final look. This look is like so versatile. Once again, where is my mic? This is the final look. This look is so versatile. What I did, I just applied a little bit of mascara on my eyes and then I put the false lashes. That's it. And now I will set this using my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. So I have set my makeup and now I'm going to change into my outfit and then come back. I have came with my outfit. So I'm wearing a black saree with the pinkish purplish color and it has like golden and silver motifs. I will put the link. I bought this saree from Myntra, and for the jewelries I have kept it very subtle because the makeup is very loud. I have wore a studded earring that I always wear. I have wore a golden chain, and then I have wore this watch. This watch is from Sonata, and on my left hand I have kept it bare because my dupatta will be like open, so I have kept it bare. So you can customize your own jewelries, wear the jewelries you want, wear the jewelries you think that will go with this look, go for them. And this is what it looks. I really like it how it turned out, and this is surely a very glamorous. You can try it. You can try it for wedding parties if you want. You can also try it for like Durga Puja night. Yes, that is how it looks. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope this helped. Enjoy your Durga Puja. Happy Durga Puja to all of you. This is last video for the Durga Puja, and I think this is going to be the last video before the Durga Puja begins. So happy Durga Puja to all of you. শারদীয়র অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা সবাইকে। আমার বড়দের আমার প্রণাম এবং ছোটদের আমার অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা। খুব ভালো করে পুজো কাটান। Stay safe, মাস্ক পরুন, use sanitizers, do every measure that needs to be taken for this Durga Puja. This is a very different Durga Puja, and please try to stay safe as much as you can. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.